Hey guys, we're doing a Emporio Armani watch and we're gonna change a battery on this today. So quick notes, this is a solid stainless steel, 50 meters of water resistance, and it's a brand new watch, just needs a new battery. So we're gonna use one of these wrenches to open the back. Sometimes these are really hard to open because of the gasket inside is usually very rough. So as tight as possible, make sure you're using the right tool. This is the right wrench for it for now. I've used different ones in most of the other videos. I use this and this type, but this is much more safer because it doesn't really scratch the back. So let's quickly take a look at the mechanism of the watch. So we have a S11 movement. It's a Japanese movement, and it takes a 371 battery. So let's take something sharp, not too sharp. I'll take a tweezer just like this, and all you have to do is just lift up the battery right here underneath. Just lift it up nice and easy and grab onto it. Slide just like that. Slide it out, and we're going to take a new 371 battery right here. I use this brand, Renata. This is a Swiss-made battery. It will at least give you 2 years. This is very simple to do. Just slide the battery right in there and just push it right on top, and it sits perfectly. Take the back, slide it on just like that, and use your thumbs just to make it sit in the place where it's supposed to be, and it slowly starts to get tighter just like that. And then you can use the wrench to tighten it all the way just like that. Perfect. Now you see it moving. There you go. Set the right date. And the right time as well. Perfect. And that's how you do a Emporio Armani watch. Thank you.